The Low Payment Kings are very proud and excited to sponsor Toledo Jeep Fest again this year, including the Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Superstore, LPK Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and Defiance, and the Buckeye Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram Fiat Superstore. The Low Payment Kings are helping to make Toledo Jeep Fest bigger and better than ever. The Low Payment Kings will now be hosting our Jeep Fest welcome party on Thursday, August 6th from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. so we can expand Jeep Fest from a 3-day event to a 4-day event. DJ L Boogie will be spinning tunes. We'll have Jeep vendors here from across the Midwest, along with food trucks, ice cream trucks, coffee trucks, as we celebrate the 85th anniversary of Jeep, the 60th anniversary of the Low Payment Kings, and the 250th anniversary of America. So please join us Thursday afternoon and evening, August 6th, around our challenging and exciting 18-obstacle Jeep off-road course for a Toledo Jeep Fest welcome party.
Visit us today at lowpaymentkings.com.